The industry, as we all see, is quite in a growth mode. It's growing in a double digit. The growth is in a CAGR is in a double digit. So that gives a good opportunity for the industry to, explore the canvas and look at various segments and the types of market, the emerging market that is happening. So each one has a view. Each one wants something, a different finish, a different product to match to their life trends and all. Now that is something very interesting because there's a huge amount of population which is emerging in this country who are ready to spend. At the same time, they want the best. Now this gives an opportunity for the paint company to come with more and more finishes for different walls and different shades. Now as a company, we are geared up to make sure that the colorant requirements, the machine is able to dispense the right volume of colorants every time, and the colorants are also not easy ones. Now they are becoming more challenging because of environmental regulations and also due to the configurations that are going into the colorant to meet the various specifications, the low VOC, the no VOC type of products that are coming in. So our machines are equipped to make sure that they are able to handle this challenging colorants. So this is one thing that we have done. And also now you look at the paint industry, it is expanding. It is going into the smaller and smaller towns. Now the smaller towns, the dealers are some who are not tinting hundreds of liters every day. Now, they are going to tint the machines. They are going to use the machines very less frequently. Very less frequent means the machines need to be in good condition. And that's where our machines, our technology is geared up to make sure that anytime the dealer is operating the dispensers, they make sure that they are good to work and they also give the colorants the right quantity every time. This is another. The third, if we look at, is also, the requirements are growing. So as an industry, we have made sure that we are equipped, as a company, we are equipped. We have expanded our manufacturing facilities. That helps us to cater to the demands as they come, as they rise. One. Other is service. Now we are one company which has our own service network, which is able to manage the requirements of the dealers across the country. So these are some of the things we have done. We also have our own R&D. So the R&D is like, they go to the markets, they understand the needs and they develop the products and technology in that. Last but not the least is data. Now everybody is into, AI, they need data a lot. So our machines are such that they capture the data. Every dispense and the shades made, the colorant used, the base used is all in the machines. So if you connect it to the internet, the paint companies will have a depth of so much of data that what is happening across the dealers in every part of the world. So this is all some things that we have geared up to make sure that we support the paint industry in whatever growth that is happening. We have been associated with Paint India for so many years. From a small booth in a small exhibition, that's how we started with Paint India. And we are glad that the association continues for over the years. Paint India tries to bring people across the globe, and it creates a platform where we interact with the customers, with the end users. That gives us an opportunity to understand, to listen from the customers and to interact with the customers. So Paint India, we have been with them and we know Mr. Dilip for many, many years. He is such an enterprising person, which makes good opportunity for all of us.